So, Amy, tell me, how would a person get started with budgeting?
Great question, Warren. And the best answer is to just start. Start now. Do not wait until next week or until next month. It does not need to be complicated or stressful. You just make two lists. One list is going to be your income. Take a look at what your paychecks are, what money is coming into your household. And your next list is going to be your expenses. What are you spending money on? Some of those items will be set amounts, some of them will vary. But once you understand your cash flow, you're going to understand what's going on with your budget. So, in creating these lists, you're going to create a lot of awareness around your cash flow. Are your expenses higher or is your income higher versus what's coming in and going out? And once you understand that, you know how to make adjustments. Once you have this awareness, you really need to take time and focus on your goals. Figure out your financial goals so that you can actually reach those goals by adjusting your budget accordingly. That might be pay off debt, buy a house, get ready to pay for college, go on vacation. Understanding these goals will help hold you accountable to your budget. This is also a great time to involve your family. Talk to your partner about your financial goals, talk to your kids, involve everyone. But the best thing to do is to just start.